When it comes to vegetarian cooking, most of us lean on paneer for some excellent nutrition. So today I have a paneer recipe that will provide you with the much needed protein but will also satisfy your taste buds. So let's start with the recipe for restaurant style Paneer Bhuna Masala. Here I have the hero ingredient, the paneer, which I'm going to cut into cubes. But wait, is that really the hero ingredient? For me, the most essential ingredients is clean hands that will protect my family and friends from the million germs. And of course, I'm going to wash my hands with our trusted Savlon hand wash. Savlon helps me fulfill my responsibility of cooking with hygiene. As a chef, it gives me great joy to see my family and friends enjoy my food, and hence, unwittingly, I wouldn't want to transfer any germs. Hence, I will wash my hands thoroughly for 20 seconds, and guess what? It smells nice also. Remember, अपनों की सुरक्षा आपके हाथ में है. I'm going to start cutting the paneer into cubes. So I have 400 grams of paneer here and I'm going to cut it into half-inch cubes. Now I'm going to heat some oil in a pan. Around 1.5 tablespoons of oil. You could even use ghee or butter. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Once both these ingredients splutter, I'm going to add in ginger and garlic paste. So 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Cook the aromatics for a few seconds. And now into this, I'm going to add in 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onion till it's nice and soft as well as golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, into this, I'm going to add in 1 capsicum that I've cut into half-inch squares. Saute these capsicum squares for a few seconds. Reduce the flame and into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of gram flour. So what gram flour does is it's going to give a nice smooth gravy and basically it brings all the moisture and the gravy together. So just saute it with your onion and capsicum for a few seconds before you add in any liquid ingredient. The gram flour is nicely sauteed and now into this I'm going to add 2 big tomatoes that I've grated. Cook this tomato pulp for a good 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, you can always increase the flame. The tomato pulp has been cooking for about 5 minutes and it's quite dried out right now. So now I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of curd into this. Whisk the curd in. Next goes in 5 light green chilies, thinly sliced, or if you like the spicy ones, then use about 3. I'm also going to add in the dry spices, which is 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, and give this a good mix. Into this, now I'm going to add in some water to bring it to a gravy consistency. So one tip for this recipe is that since I've added gram flour as a thickening agent, this gravy will thicken up a lot if you made it in advance. So make sure that you keep the paneer separate and just add it while you're reheating the gravy before serving. And now, time to add in the paneer. Give this a good mix and let it cook for at least a good 3 to 4 minutes. Also, while cooking, just break a few pieces of paneer into small crumbles that gives a nice texture to the gravy. Let's add in the last few ingredients, that is salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, just crush it between your palms a little bit, and also a handful of coriander leaves. And this Paneer Bhuna Masala is ready to plate. Delicious Paneer Bhuna Masala. I'm sure your family is going to love this. And the tip that I gave you about the gram flour, if you use it in any other gravy, trust me, it makes a lot of difference. Well, now it's time to taste it with some hot rotis. But before I do that, I need to ensure I'm not transferring any germs to my superfood, and hence I'm going to savlon it. While I relish this, you just don't drool. Give this a try immediately and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget, when it comes to hygiene, you just need to savlon it. Stay safe, stay happy and enjoy the recipe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.